Now guys, this might be the answer to many of your questions. I know this question comes really frequently. When is the next property crash? Now I'm going to introduce to this guy. This guy has predicted the last two property crashes well before they happened. In this book, The Power in the Land, he successfully predicted the 1989 property crash. In this book, he once again successfully predicted the 2007 property crash, followed by the global banking crisis. He actually even warned Tony Blair and Gordon Brown when they came into power in 1997 that after 10 years the property crash is coming. And the answer to when the next property crash is might be on this book. His latest book, We Are Rent. Now his name is Fred Harrison. He is an international author, he's an economist, he's a policymaker, he's a well-respected person globally, and he developed the 18-year property cycle. Now his research is based on hundreds of years of historical data, property-related data. So back to the million-dollar question again. So when is the next property crash coming? So according to Fred, a crash will last 1 to 4 years, and from 4 to 11 years is the recovery phase, and there's a 2-year correction, and 13 to 18 years is the boom period, after which it comes crash again. So if we know where in this cycle we are right now, then we should be able to predict when the next crash is coming. By the way, I have also touched on the property cycle in my book, Financial Freedom for Immigrants, just in case if you are interested to get a copy. So going back to that property cycle now again, according to Fred, we are actually at the beginning of the boom period, so which means the 13-year where you can see there after the correction. So the last 2 years, 2019, 2020, that's been the correction period. Now we're at the beginning of the boom period, which means the crash is predicted for 2026. Now that's according to Fred. Now I would like to know what you think about this, and when you think the next property crash is coming, and why do you think so?